Today we are decorating vanilla bean sugar cookies with a vanilla royal icing, and we're going to walk through how to have smooth tops. You can see that I start by outlining the edge of the cookie with a thicker royal icing. You can find the recipe below. And then I'm overlaying it with a flood consistency. You can see that the amount of icing is coming out a little quicker. And then after I fill in all the cracks, and you want to definitely use a good amount of icing to this, you can shake the cookie and it helps make it a smooth, flat surface. But you always want to see if there's any bubbles. You'll be able to see it underneath the top of the cookie. You just kind of use that scribe tool, pop the little bubbles, which is actually pretty satisfying. And then you shake it back out and you will have a perfectly flat top of your cookie. We're purposely not adding the icing on the top of the cookie yet because we want this layer to dry, and that'll take about an hour. And put it on the side, and now let's edible print the top of these cookies. This is our edible printer. I absolutely love this machine. I can create any design and print it with edible ink on top of a flat white cookie. Now it's time for the icing on top. You can see that I purposely did 2 lines of the icing and I let it set for about an hour because I want to have that definition that you can see on your screen of the different layers of, quote, whipped cream, which is our vanilla icing. Be sure to follow us here on this channel, Flour, Eggs, Yeast, and these are going off into the mail to the team doing their coffee tasting.